Morning, it is Thursday the 20th of November. Here's your latest crypto news and of course market breakdown. Let's get straight into it. Now, where else to start than the charts? If we look at the price of Bitcoin right now and you look back a month ago, you're probably thinking, what on earth has happened? The volatility and volumes in the markets are insane. We'll break it down slightly more later on. But look, it's a mixed bag. In the last 24 hours, you can see that Bitcoin is currently down 2.7%. BNB down 0.7%, and you can see that XRP is down almost 5.5%. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Let's look at Solana. Solana is up over 4.5%. And frankly, Ethereum, who knows what's happening there? Let's look at it straight after Bitcoin, but let's look at BTC. Now, Bitcoin has had an interesting week to say the least, from around 100k all the way down to 88k last night. Now, it has bounced back to 92, but the question is, what's coming next? Now, the volatility in the last few weeks has been pretty insane, but one of the reasons many online are alluding to for the recent volatility is this, and this article has come from BN Crypto. Now, Fed minutes reveal that December's rate cut is on a knife's edge, and this has been leaked via minutes from one of the latest meetings. Now, Bitcoin did slip down to a little bit less than the headline here, but frankly, it would appear that traders are not too excited at the prospect of a rate cut that may actually not happen in December. Would that mean disaster? When you look at Ethereum, it had even more drastic movement. Started at $3,264 all the way down to $2,839. An incredible swing, but it looks to be recovering at present. Let's see if it manages to recover all the way. It's interesting, all we've spoken about today is volatility, but Michael Saylor has come out and said, actually, Wall Street is making Bitcoin more stable, not riskier. Michael, it's down almost 30% in the last 60 days. What are you talking about, I hear you say? And I'd have to agree. But for the wider space, I would say it's not all doom and gloom. This week, we saw Cloudflare. Now, Cloudflare affected so many different websites and platforms all across the world. Now, actually, this article is fantastic because it basically shows you why crypto needs to end-to-end decentralization. When we become over-reliant on centralized bodies, the whole world basically went into meltdown in the case here of Cloudflare. If I can give you one bit of advice, focus on the tech, focus on the utility, stay informed, and always do your own research. But most importantly, keep on believing. Let's go.